Came out of my Stop and Shop and I see a hawk on my car killing another bird. What the hell? That's a hawk that killed a bird on my car. And he's eating him on my car. Yo.
Nah, you a savage, boy.
How you gonna eat him on my car? Hold up, hawk. Hold up, hawk. Hold up, hawk. You can't eat him on my car. Hawk, you can't eat him on my car. Hey, 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 hey. Okay. Okay, I got it. Hey, hey, you putting blood all over my car. Mr. Hawk. Mr. Hawk. Mr. Hawk. Take your bird and go somewhere. Mr. Hawk. Can you please? Mr. Hawk, I'm gonna get in and drive off, Mr. Hawk. Okay, because you're making a mess of my car. All right? Okay, and get it in my car. All right.